Hey, what's happening? It's Paul Ingram with CollieCenter.com, and I got my staff with me today, and I want to share one of the basic staff drills that I teach here at College Center. This is our 4x4 drill that focuses on the horizontal strikes. And you can find more drills just like this over inside of my online school over at CollieCenter.com. So you can sign up to my online school. It's like $12.99 a month. It's nice and affordable, and you get a whole bunch of drills just like this across all 12 areas of Kali. But before we get into the staff training for today, I want to take a quick moment and just thank you for your support and for the love that you've been showing me here on this channel. Whether you've been a subscriber since day one of College Center here, or if you're brand new, maybe you just subscribed today. And I want to just make you aware of a brand new channel that I have. It's the College Center Vlog channel. So since you're enjoying these videos here on this channel, hopefully you're gonna like the videos that I'm putting over there. They're more of a vlog style type of video where I'm showing you more martial arts, the training that I'm working through myself in my own martial arts week by week, plus the fitness that I'm working on. And I'm throwing in some of that vlogging kind of, day-to-day life stuff that I'm doing, some of the projects that I have going on around the garden, and just some of the regular day-to-day stuff. And I'll be taking you with me when I'm going out and teaching seminars and training camps and all that type of stuff. So it is a different format of videos. It's not just instruction, but I do try to put some sort of instruction in each one of the videos as well. And I like the idea of having a vlog, so that way, you guys can get to know me on a more personal level, and you get to see that I'm just like everybody else. I'm a regular guy. I'm not just somebody that's just swinging sticks around 24 hours a day. I do regular stuff just like everybody else. I got to pay the bills. I got a house to maintain. I got a family to take care of and support. I got businesses that I have to work and run, and all kinds of things that I have to do just like everybody else. And I have to create the time for my training and for my fitness and for my self-care just like you do. So I figure the vlog is a great way to kind of show that. Hopefully you guys like that. So I have the link, I'll put it right up here. Go check out the College Center Vlog channel with Paul Ingram, and hopefully you guys subscribe to that and support me over there just like you do over here. I'd really appreciate it. Help me get that channel up to 1,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. Let's see if we can do it. Let's go ahead, grab our staff, and get to today's 4x4 drill that I want to share with you today. If you do not have a high quality rattan staff just like this one that I'm using, first things I want you to do, number one, head over to CollieCenter.com and go order yourself a good rattan staff for your Collie training. Okay? We have really great staffs, great high quality premium grade rattan. So go get it. Make sure you got the right stuff to train with. And while you're waiting for us to ship your staff and for it to arrive, go ahead and grab anything that you can find that's going to work today. It could be an old hockey stick, an old broomstick, anything that just for today. All right, so the drill that we're working on, this is the 4x4 drill, and I use this drill to teach the horizontal strikes and the variations. So from here, we're going to start right here in the Bung Kao grip. Bung Kao is the staff, and this is where we're going to be using the double end staff fighting method. So we're fighting with both ends of the staff. And again, this is focusing on the horizontal strikes. So we're going to come out with the horizontal strike on the right-hand side, and notice that's going to come underneath my armpit just like this. Then I'm going to strike my left-hand side horizontal. And I'm going to repeat that. Boom, boom, right there. So we're going to do 4 strikes just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then my right hand's going to come over my head and strike the reverse horizontal just like that. Then I'm going to come out, switch the grip, and strike on the left-hand side. I'm going to repeat to the right, and then I'm going to repeat to the left again. Now everything's going to switch. Exact same drill, but on the left-hand side. So we're going to come over, open up the staff, strike the left-hand side horizontal. Notice that the right-hand side is underneath the armpit. Strike the right-hand side, left side is on the humerus. Do it again. 1, 2. Left side's going to come over the head into that reverse horizontal. And then we're going to do it again. We're going to switch it to the right, switch it to the left, and then switch it back to the right. So that's why it's called the 4x4 drill, because we're doing the forward horizontal strikes, and then we're doing the reverse horizontal strikes, and they're both counts of 4. So let's take a look at it again. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then it's on the left-hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hey, let me show you from the side right here. Hey Goji, what's up? I got Goji right here. He likes to come and do a little bit of Kali training with me. Make sure to say hi to Goji in the comments below. So from here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand side. Right there. Let's go ahead and show you this drill from a couple different angles. Have fun with this drill. It's a great shoulder workout. And just start with it nice and slow. Don't worry about speed and adding power. As you're getting more coordinated and better with the movements, then you can start increasing your speed and increasing your power. If you're looking to get more drills like this, not only in the staff, but in all the areas of Kali, on the single stick, the double stick, the Spadaya Daga, the knives, the empty hands, the spear, join me over inside of my online school. You can sign up today. Got the link down in the description below. And while you're over at KaliCenter.com, don't forget to pick yourself up a rattan staff. That way you got the best gear for your Kali training. Again, make sure to go and subscribe to my Kali Center vlog channel. I really hope to see you over there. I hope that you're gonna enjoy those videos and get a lot more out of them. I'll catch you guys back here next time. Remember, do yourself a favor, do your Kali a favor, and from time to time, at least once or twice a week, get outside and go let nature be your Kali dojo. And I'll see you guys next time.